Hi, and welcome to English with Rick. I'm Rick, and this is a lesson about the past simple tense. It's used for two main reasons. Number one, to talk about something or write about something that happened in the past and its duration doesn't matter. Something like, we played tennis last night. The past simple tense is also used for something that's unlikely to happen in the present or the future. Something like, if I owned a car, I'd drive home now. The forms of the past simple tense are, first, the affirmative. And you could tell us the affirmative when you see a subject followed by the verb, and the verb normally has an ed ending. That's the form. In the sentence, we played tennis last night, it's about something that happened in the past. In the sentence, if I owned a car, I would drive home now, it's something unlikely to happen in the present. The first part of that sentence is, if I owned a car, I probably won't suddenly own a car. The negative form of the past simple tense is the subject, followed by the past form of do, which is didn't, because it's negative, then the main verb in the infinitive form. The sentence, we didn't play tennis last night, is about something that didn't happen in the past. The sentence, if I didn't own a car, I would stay here, is something negative and unlikely to happen in the present. The sentence sends the reader or the person who's listening the message that I own a car and I probably won't suddenly not own a car. The yes-no question form of the past simple tense begins with did, which is followed by the subject and then the infinitive of the main verb. In the sentence, did we play tennis last night? Someone is asking whether or not something happened in the past. That thing is playing tennis. The WH question form of the past simple tense begins with a question word. That would be who, what, when, where, why, and often how, which is followed by did, then the subject, then the infinitive of the main verb. If you ask the question, when did we play tennis, you are asking somebody if they remember what time or when did you do something in the past. If you ask the question, when did we play tennis, you're asking somebody if they remember when you did something that happened in the past. The negative question form is the least used of all the past simple tense forms, but it's used when you're uncertain about something in the past and you're asking for confirmation. If you ask, didn't we play tennis last night? You are asking whether or not something happened in the past. A good answer could be, yes, we did, or no, we didn't play tennis last night. We played tennis 2 nights ago. Ed is definitely the most common ending for verbs that are put into the past simple tense form, but there are many exceptions. And a list of those exceptions is in this chart that you can see on the screen right now. Of those irregular past simple tense verbs, the top 3 are the most common. Those are be, have, and do. They're the most commonly used irregular past simple tense verbs because they can be used as auxiliary verbs. Bye for now.